Imagining the regional landscapes of Navi Mumbai. Looking into the water management of Navi Mumbai. The city of Navi Mumbai was envisaged to offload the growing population of then Bombay and the need for expansion of the ever increasing traffic. The aim of the proposed twin city was to eliminate social problems, environmental problems such as scarcity of water supply, flooding in monsoons, crowded roads and railways of Mumbai. Water management, however, was the foremost. Navi Mumbai is a part of Western Ghats region and bound by Thane Creek on its west and Parsik Hills and Sahyadri Mountains in the east. The region The region naturally sloped from the east to west, forming the entire Navi Mumbai as a catchment area. Almost 50% of the land that was earmarked for the twin city is below the high tide level. As we can see in the picture, the high tide levels at 1 meter, 2 meters, 5 meters and 10 meters are shown. The overlap of the proposed DP of 2036 with the 10 meters high tide level, we can observe that almost 50% or more than that just goes underwater. Hence, flood prevention in the city is also the most important factor. The stormwater management of Navi Mumbai has been planned on the lines of Netherlands known as the Dutch method. In this method, number of stormwater holding ponds with bunds encompassing these ponds were built. However, due to number of reasons and mainly due to increasing urbanization, the stormwater drainage system proves to be insufficient and thus fails to keep flooding at bay for Navi Mumbai. The Google imagery clearly shows the increased urbanization of Navi Mumbai. This results into waterlogging at various places even in the absence of events of higher precipitation. So, it is extremely necessary to adopt to various methods of water management to avoid flooding events and thereby addressing the water needs of the future Navi Mumbai by having rainwater harvesting and percolation techniques at a regional level. Instead of avoiding the water from entering the region, making the region water resilient is the need of an hour. Thank you.